Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you love anime as much as I do, you know that Crunchyroll is one of the best places to watch all your favorite shows. Today, I'm going to show you how to get Crunchyroll on your Amazon Fire Stick. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. 1. Turn on your Fire Stick. First things first, make sure your Fire Stick is plugged into your TV and turned on. Navigate to the home screen if you aren't already there. 2. Go to the search function. From the home screen, go to the search icon, which is the magnifying glass at the top left corner of the screen. 3. Search for Crunchyroll. Next, type Crunchyroll into the search bar. As you type, you should see Crunchyroll appear in the suggestions. Select it. 4. Download and install the app. Once you're on the Crunchyroll app page, click the download or get button to start the installation process. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. 5. Open the Crunchyroll app. After the installation is complete, click Open to launch the Crunchyroll app. 6. Log in or create an account. If you already have a Crunchyroll account, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If not, you can create a new account right here. Just follow the on-screen instructions. Crunchyroll offers both free and premium memberships. With the free membership, you can watch a lot of content with ads. But if you want an ad-free experience and access to the latest episodes as soon as they're available, you might want to consider their premium plans. They often have free trials, so you can check those out too. Once you're logged in, you can browse through different genres, check out new releases, or continue watching shows from where you left off. Crunchyroll's interface on Fire Stick is super user-friendly, so you should have no trouble finding what you want to watch. Conclusion. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy your favorite anime on Crunchyroll with your Fire Stick. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Smart 4 Home for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.